So hi YouTube, I'm back. This is Miss E once again, and I am posting another one of my favorite meals, which is I have thin chops here, and then I have my vegetables. I love fresh vegetables. These are my green beans, thick cut squash, and then my broccoli sprouts. And I am seasoning with, voila, Old Bay. Yes, Old Bay seasoning is the bomb. You have to try it with a little black pepper. I try not to do too much salt because I'm getting back on my health kick. So I preheated the frying pan, which is where I'm going to sear, or stir fry rather, sear my vegetables in, and I'll go ahead and put those in. And what I like to do once I get those in, I will cover them with a lid, okay? And that just helps it cook down and simmer. I have preheated the air fryer. I will be placing my chops right here in the air fryer. And it will probably take those, I say maybe about 7 minutes maybe. Not long at all. So I like to give a head start on this, okay? So once I get these in, I'm going to show you. It's already hot. And this is what I do. Come closer a little bit, really quick. I go ahead and I layer the inside of the fryer with foil. Want to know why? Because it catches all the grease and I don't have to clean it. And then what I'm going to do, I will take the chops and I can place those in one at a time because it's already hot, ready to go. I like to get them, let me get them faced this way. Voila. You can't get no better than that. So once I do that, I have my rag here. I'm going to place them inside of the air fryer. It's already hot. And put it on about, it's about 10 minutes. It won't really take that long. And then I'll be back to show you the finished product. So I will now be uncovering the vegetables. It looks like they're all ready. See? Perfect. You can get no better than that. Perfect. And I will go ahead and turn the stove off. And what I like to do is just still keep them all together, you know, so they can stay warm until I'm able, or until I'm ready to plate. Because plating will be the very next thing that I do. I'm going to go ahead and open up the air fryer because I know that the tender chops, and I'll move this out of the way because that's hot. But go ahead and open up the air fryer because the chops at this point, look at there. Look how beautiful that is. They're thin chops, so it really doesn't take much for them. And they're ready. Look at that. Voila. So what I'll do, I'll take and I'll place one here. I'll take and I'll place the second one there. And like I showed you all before, come a little closer. Once I take this out, remove that. Look at the grease at the bottom. That way I don't have to go in there and I don't have to wash that. See how convenient that is? Only thing I need to wash is this right here, the rack itself. So So for now, I'll just sit back here for a moment. Go ahead and turn the fryer off. And then I'll go ahead and plate the vegetables. And here we have squash. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the broccoli. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. I can't wait. Let me get some green beans in there. Here are the green beans. Put some of those on top. Broccoli. And then put a little bit more color on top. I love color in foods. And that is a great plate. And voila. And there, in less than 15 minutes, I have prepared 2 delicious looking thin cut chops seasoned with Old Bay and a little black pepper and vegetables. I use my air fryer and I use the skillet to sear the vegetables. Voila, there you have it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a taste. Delicious. The Old Bay seasoning does wonders for these vegetables. You hear me? Old Bay seasoning does wonderful. Green beans, let's see. Yep. That's it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into my chops that were cooked in the air fryer. Look how that cut. Look at that. Look at that. Can't get no better than that. Let's see. Delicious. You all need to come back to my channel because it's only more. It gets better. It gets better, better, better. Until next time. Right now, I have to go and feed my face. This is delicious. Remember, Old Bay seasoning does wonders for everything that you cook. Have a good day.